Good morning, students. Students, we have already done the poem, The Kite. Let's do a quick recap before starting the exercise. In this poem, the poet has explained different movements of kite and he has compared them with the movement of a ship with a sail. He's the way ship moves up and down on the waves. He's also explained that its movement is controlled by the wind. Now we'll do the exercise of the poem. Now here in the exercise, there are 3 questions. The last one is activity-based question that you can do yourself, and question 1 and 2, you can either do it in book or you can do it in the notebook also. Question 1, you have to write the meanings of the words that you will write in the answer. So if you want to do it in the book, you can make a separate column here and write like this, or else do it in the notebook. So let's do question number 1. List out the action words in the poem. 3 action words were already given. You have to write the rest. The answer is climbs, blows, soars, rides, falls. Now find out the meanings of these words. Climbs means to go up, blows means to hit, soars means to fly, ride means to sit on the back of something and control its movement, or you can say to mount. Falls means to drop down. Now question 2, read the lines from the poem. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. Here we are comparing the movement of a ship with a sail. This comparison is called simile. Such a comparison of one thing means kite, with another thing of a different kind means ship with a sail. Such a comparison is called simile. We use similes to make a description more emphatic. For example, if you want to tell somebody that you are very brave, you will say you are brave as a lion. Or if somebody is very innocent, you will say she is as innocent as an angel. So based on this exercise, we'll do a second question. He runs like the wind. He eats like a pig. She sings like a nightingale. Nightingale sings beautifully, so the comparison of her singing is compared with the beautiful singing of a nightingale. It shines like a star. It flies like a bird. Now these were the questions from the book, and now we'll do one extract. Any extract from the poem can come, but I'll give you one example of the extract. Let's read it. Is a kite when it's new, but a regular thing you will never see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. Now question 1 is, name the poem and the poet. Answer, poem is The Kite and poet is Harry Vane. Question 2, how does a kite looks when it's new? It looks very bright and beautiful. How does it soar? It soars like a ship. And the last question, how does the kite move its tail? It snaps its tail. Now, this was all about the poem. See you in the next class. Goodbye.